Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free stuff in the Minecraft Marketplace. First, go to the Minecraft Marketplace.
As you'll see, most of the stuff here costs money. Worlds, skins, texture packs, everything.
It can get pretty pricey.
But don't worry, I found a super easy way to find free content.
All you have to do is go back, then click on the search option.
Once you're there, everything still looks like it costs money, right? Here's the trick. Click on the filter or sort option.
Then select price, low to high. It should be the last one on the list. Now you'll see a bunch of items that are completely free.
For example, I like this one right here. Just click on it. Hit the free button and boom, you've got it.
If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave a comment below.
That's how you get free stuff in the Minecraft Marketplace.